In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train a Jotform AI agent using URLs. Whether you're building a more dynamic and responsive form, or just looking to enhance existing functionalities with AI, this detailed tutorial will walk you through the entire process. First, head on over to jotform.com. Here you'll be greeted by the sign-in page. If you have a Google or Microsoft account, you can sign in using those platforms for a faster process. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password if that's what you prefer. Signing in is the first step to accessing Jotform's powerful features. Once you're logged in, look for the drop-down menu located in the upper left corner right beside the Jotform logo. Clicking this will allow you to access many different sections of the application. Choose the My Agents option to head over to your agent management page. After clicking My Agents, you'll need to select the agent you wish to modify or train. It's as straightforward as clicking on the specific agent name. With the chosen agent setup page now open, you'll be looking for the Jotform AI Builder. There you'll find a button labeled Train, so go ahead and click that to get started with the training process. Next, focus your attention on the left panel. It's placed conveniently to help you navigate through different training options. You'll see a section labeled Knowledge Base, which is exactly where you want to be. Click it to proceed further. Within the Knowledge Base section, you'll spot a link button. Click this to open up the option to start connecting to and utilizing web page URLs for the AI agent's training. Now it's time to add some content. Enter your desired website URL and your AI agent will start learning based on the information available on that web page. This URL addition is crucial as it allows the agent to gather relevant information to improve its responses and actions. Once you have inputted the URL, there's another step you need to take, and that's clicking the crawl button. This action initiates the process of scanning the page, identifying valuable information, and comprehending the content that's present on the website. If your website has additional content or multiple subpages that you'd like the AI to understand, you can enhance its learning capabilities even further. By clicking the crawl button again, you can enable the AI to explore these subpages, effectively expanding its database of information and understanding. Finally, after this comprehensive scanning process, the gathered information will successfully be integrated into the knowledge base section of your AI agent setup. Once you see your data here, you can rest assured that the training has been successful. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively trained your Jotform AI agent using URLs. This process not only allows for more efficient AI-enhanced form responses, but also enriches the interaction experience for your users. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.